Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, I want you guys watch this video right here. This is such a sad thing. Now, you have two men in Kentucky, in Trinidad. Look at them right now. There is Gorin, the one on the right where the manager, he just push the manager of Kentucky. If you look, the guy in the jean jacket, you understand, he has something on him on his left side because he's right-handed. Now, it is just so sad because everything happened under 2 minutes, and like me say, me slow this thing down. So, I just want to watch this carefully. Look at this. The guy in the jean jacket with the hat, he walked off and he went to order his food. And now Gorin, the guy is there with his girl, and they have a little child there. Now, notice he walked back over to the man in the jean jacket. I don't know what was going on with Mr. Gorin, but notice they walk outside, they kind of ruffle up. They went to the door, and as you can see, there's a commotion over there to the left. See the young man in the green is talking to the person behind the counter. Now, I slowed this video down because everything happened within 2 minutes. Now, look, Mr. Gorin and the young man in the jean jacket is over there. Look at them wrestling back there. See the young lady now, she is at the counter. I don't understand this. What is wrong with people? If you notice, it's sad to say, you know, but Mr. Gorin asked for this. Look at the young lady now, walking over there. See, Mr. Gorin went over there, you know, and a fight off the man, you know. And the guy in the jean jacket is really trying not to. Now, things getting a little bit rough now. And look at this. You see the man that's up, push him. And then him realize now the man take out his machine and everybody fire a shot, everybody start run. See him shoot Mr. Gorin, and then see the man come back round and take out another one and put one right in him head and put back him thing in him blood clot left side and go right through the front door. Yo, this is so sad. I really think Mr. Gorin asked for this, you know, and me don't want to say it like that, but that's what really happened. It is such a sad thing to watch. I don't even know what to make of this, but this video it just goes to show you how we are as human beings, you know. I have used this term many times. You see, emotions, people make a lot of decisions off emotions when you shouldn't make decisions on emotion. You know, you have to make decisions on certain factors and certain facts. And Mr. Gorin just seems like he is one of them light-skinned bully. I don't want to really talk bad about the dead, but he is also a selfish guy because you're there with your girl and your child buying Kentucky, bullying the man, you know, and the man in the jean jacket even walked away, and Mr. Gorin followed the man, because at one point earlier in the video, the man make for take out a gun, you know, and chill and walk off to the counter. Gorin follow him, the man move to the outside, Gorin follow him, boom. Things get rough, him attack the man, and the man pull out a gun and shoot him, and now him dead. Really sad. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on the video.